This 2016 Outdoors RV Glacier Peak F26 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Prescott, Arizona, 86301 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Prescott. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used outdoors RV is 33 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 82 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, rear living area, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.